I'm here to visit my friend Professor Barry Dwolatsky. He's one of the people that I like best in the tech world. So anytime I get to spend with him, I figure it's time well spent. I walked in this morning and there's 24 freshly scrubbed faces, and I have no idea what any of their backgrounds are or what they're interested in. I know that the format of what we're doing is to try and create an application or service that serves some social good, but I have no idea what they're interested in or what things might be. The principles involved in social good and in commercial success are exactly the same. The user's behavior is your biggest risk factor, and you can't tell how they're going to behave until they start behaving. So again, your quickest path to success is putting something in front of somebody, getting feedback about your idea from somebody who actually has the problem, and then seeing how they respond to it. People want to be successful, but if you're doing something innovative, by necessity, you're going to be trying things that are risky, and if you try things that are risky, then you're going to fail most of the time. So the natural inclination of people trying to innovate leads you to exactly the wrong behaviors. If you actually want to innovate, you try not to fail, and what you need to do is to try to learn as much from as many experiments as possible, and that maximizes the chance of success. But it's a mindset shift. There's a set of technical skills for how to get feedback from people outside. So we're 2.5 hours into what we've been doing, and the first question that I asked the teams was who'd actually talked to a potential customer of the projects that they're working on, and nobody had. And so that was if they want lunch, they need to go talk to somebody who might actually use their product or service. The biggest risk factor in innovation is how the customers are going to behave. And there's no way you can outthink the customers. So the most effective strategy is to build something, even if it's imperfect, and put it out there and see how people behave. If you're meeting a desperate need and your application looks terrible, people will use it anyway. And if you're not meeting a desperate need, then you can make your application look as beautiful as you want, and it's never going to be popular.